respected madam and sirs, good morning one and all. Today session, my name is Triveni, subject history. Today we will learn fourth chapter, the Central Islamic Lands. Okay, all of you look at the board. What is the fourth chapter name? The Central Islamic lands 680 to 1280. So what is the lesson name? This is our fourth chapter. Name is the Central Islamic Lands 680 to 1280. What we learn in these subtopics? Okay, all of you note down. Topics we learn in this session. Topics: first, rise and expansion of Islam. Second subtopic, life of Prophet Muhammad (570 to 632). Islamic calendar. Third one, Islamic calendar. Fourth subtopic, teachings of Muhammad the Prophet. Fifth point, spread of Islam. Sixth subtopic, legacy of Islam. Seventh subtopic, madrasa of Baghdad in 1233. Eighth point, economy. In this session, how many subtopics we learn? 8 subtopics. One is rise and expansion of Islam. Second subtopic, life of Prophet Muhammad 570 to 632. And third subtopic, Islamic calendar. Fourth one, teachings of Muhammad the Prophet. And fifth one, spread of Islam. So in this session we learn 4 subtopics. Okay. And next session we learn spread of Islam and legacy of Islam. Madrasa of Baghdad in 1233. 8th subtopic, economy. Okay. First of all, we learn first subtopics, rise and expansion of Islam. So what is the chapter name? The Central Islamic Lands. And what are the Central Islamic lands also we will learn. Okay. All of you write neatly subtopics one by one. Now open your textbook, page number 32. What is the introduction of this lesson? Okay, first in this chapter we are going to read about the history of more than 1 billion Muslims living in all parts of the world. How many millions? 1 billion. One billion Muslims living in all parts of the world. Okay, 1 billion Muslims living in all parts of the world, and they are citizens of different nations. They are citizens of different nations, speak different languages and dress differently. So what are the differences? We are identify the different nations, speak different languages and different dress codes. Okay, this is the Muslim differences. These people had their roots in a more unified fast commenced 1400 years ago in the Arabian Peninsula. So which place we can root of the Muslims? Afghanistan Peninsula. Which year? 1400. Okay, so write down neatly, my dear friends. These people had their roots in a more unified fast commenced 1400 years ago in the Arabian Peninsula. Okay, what are the second point? These people had their roots in a more unified fast commenced 1400 years ago in the Arabian Peninsula. What is the spelling of peninsula? P-E-N-I-N-S-U-L-A. Peninsula. So which year? 1400 years ago. Their root find out. Okay. Next. The rise of Islam and its expansion. And what is the meaning of expansion? Expansion meaning in Telugu, Vistarana. Okay. The rise of Islam and its expansion over a vast territory and the core area of Islamic civilization 600 AD to 1200 AD are looked at. Okay, what is the third subtopic? Third point, the rise of Islam and its expansion over a vast territory. Territory means Bhubagam. Okay, territory and the core area of Islamic civilization 600 AD to 1200 AD are looked at. Okay, this is the introduction, my dears. Once look at the board, all of you. 1 billion Muslims living in all parts of the world. Okay, how many millions living in the part of world? 1 billion. These people had their root in a more unified fast commenced 1400 years ago in the Arabian Peninsula. Which year? 1400. Which place? Arabian Peninsula. The rise of Islam and its expansion. What is the meaning of expansion? It is a Vistarana. Telugu meaning Vistarana. Over a vast territory. Territory means Bhubagam. And the core area of Islamic civilization 600 AD to 1200 AD are looked at. Okay. Now our subtopic, rise and expansion of Islamic. So now we are write the subtopic, rise and expansion of Islam. All of you write neatly these 3 points. Okay. In this subtopic, first point, all of you write neatly, the Arabian Peninsula. The Arabian Peninsula as early as 1400 years ago gave birth to Islam. Gave birth to Islam. Second point, chronicles legal texts chronicles legal text, geographies, travelers and literary works such as stories and poems through interesting light on the history of early Islam. Okay, look at the board, all of you. I understand all of you write neatly. Okay, first point, this is a subtopic, rise and expansion of Islam, and a expansion meaning Vistarana. First point, the Arabian Peninsula as early as 1400 years ago gave birth to Islam. Okay, chronicles legal text, geographies, travels, literary works such as stories and poems throw interesting light on the history of early Islam. This is the rise of expansion of Islam. Okay, and now we are second subtopic, life of Prophet Muhammad 570 to 632. What is the second subtopic? Life of Prophet Muhammad. Okay, once look at the board. Okay, Second subtopic, life of Prophet Muhammad (570 to 632). Most important, my dears, this is the 5-mark question also. Life of Prophet Muhammad. Okay, what is the meaning of prophet? Prophet means Pravatta. Okay, prophet means Pravatta. Life of Prophet Muhammad. 570 year birth and 632 is prophet death. Okay. First point in this subtopic point, Muhammad was, all of you write neatly. First of all, Muhammad was born at Mecca in 570 and belonged to the Hasmiti or Hasmite family, Hasmite family of Qurayshi tribe. What is the first point, my dears? Muhammad was born at Makkah. Okay, which place? Prophet birth? Makkah. In 570 and belonged to the Hasmite family. Which family? Hasmite. H-A-S-H-M-I-T-E. Hasmite family. And which tribe? Qurayshi. Q-U-R-A-I-S-H-I. Qurayshi. Qurayshi tribe, Hasmite family, and birth Makkah place. Muhammad birth Makkah place. Okay. Second point. Muhammad lost his parents early in his childhood. Okay, Muhammad lost his parents early in his childhood. Lost means పోగొట్టుకునుట. Which is childhood. Okay. And as a youth, he spent most of his time in traveling okay, traveling with caravans into southern Arabia and Syria. Okay. Muhammad was born at Makkah in 570 and belonged to his Hasmite family of Qurayshi tribe. Okay. Muhammad lost his parents early in his childhood. Third point, as a youth, he spent most of his time in traveling. Okay, most of his spent time traveling with caravans into southern Arabia and Syria. Okay, southern Arabia into Syria. Mention 3 points. Very important. Muhammad was born at Mecca in 570 and belonged to the Hasmid family of Qurayshi tribe. Muhammad lost his parents early in his childhood. As a youth, he spent most of his time in traveling with caravans into southern Arabia and Syria. And he married, fourth point. He married Khadij. Okay? He married Khadij. A wealthy widow, she was a wealthy widow merchant. Okay? Muhammad married Khadij. He married Khadij. She was a wealthy widow merchant. Okay? A wealthy widow merchant. Sixth point. He was messenger of God. He was messenger means in Muslim language Rasul of God. Okay? He means Muhammad. Muhammad was messenger. Messenger in Islamic language Rasul of God. And what is the message? Muhammad preached to the worship of a single God. Muhammad preached to the worship of a single God. Who is the single God? Children, Allah. Okay, Allah. This was the origin of Islam. 612. Okay? And he married Khadij, a wealthy widow merchant. He was messenger in Islamic language Rasul of. Okay? Muhammad preached to the worship of a single God. And who is the single God? Allah. Okay? Allah meaning, Allah spelling A-L-L-A-H. Okay? This was the origin of Islam. What is the meaning of Islam? Okay? Islam means peace with God. Peace with God. What is the meaning of Islam? Islam means peace with God. Okay? Clear? He married Khadij. Spelling Khadij. A wealthy widow merchant. He was messenger. Muhammad preached to the worship of a single God. Single God named Allah. A-L-L-A-H. This was the origin of Islam. Islam means peace with God. Okay? Point. The worship involved simple rituals such as daily prayers. Prayers means salat. Okay. in Muslim language, salat, and moral principles such as distributing and abstaining from theft. Okay, the worship involved simple rituals. Rituals mean in Telugu karma. Okay, RITUALS. Rituals such as daily prayers. In Muslim language, prayers is meaning salat. And moral principles such as distributing and abstaining. Abstaining meaning samyamanam patinchadam. Okay, abstaining from theft. The worship involves simple rituals such as daily prayers and moral principles such as distributing and abstaining from theft. Now we are introducing the Islamic calendar. Most important. Okay. Write neatly all of you. The worship involved simple rituals RITUALS such as daily prayers and moral moral principles such as distributing and abstaining from theft. So once again, what is the lesson name, my dear children? This is the 4th chapter, the Central Islamic Lands. Which year to which AD to which AD? 600 AD to 1200 AD. Okay. What is the previous lesson and what we learn? 3 continents, my dear children. Asia, Africa and Europe. Okay, very good. Next, Islamic calendar. Most important, 2 more questions also. Islamic calendar. The Hijri era started with the first year falling in 622 AD. A date in the Hijri calendar is followed by the letters AH. The Hijri year is a lunar year. Okay, this is the Islamic calendar point. The Hijri era started. What is the Hijri era? Okay, look at your textbook, all of you. When Muhammad, his life was in danger, he had to retreat in Medina in 622. This retreat to Medina constituted a most important year for Islam. Okay, this is the most important year, Islam, and it was called Hijra. Hijra means reckoning of a new year in the Muslim calendar. At the time of his death in 632 AD, Arabia was practically united under his able leadership and his followers, Muhammadan say, having a great zeal to spread their new faith. Okay, This is the Hijri calendar. So the Hijri year is called to lunar year. Okay. The Hijri era started with the first year falling in 622 AD, and Muhammad, which year died in 632 AD. A date in the Hijri calendar is followed by the letters AH. Okay, what is the letters AH? The Hijri year is a lunar year. Now we are learning teaching of Muhammad the Prophet. Okay, teaching of Muhammad the Prophet. Teachings of Muhammad the Prophet. Teachings of Muhammad the Prophet. First point. The gist of this new religion, Islam, is found in the sacred book called Quran or Quran. Arabic meaning recitation. Okay, Quran Arabic meaning recitation. Recitation meaning in Telugu Parayanam. Okay, teaching of Muhammad the Prophet. Prophet means already I told that Prophet means Pravatta. Okay, the gist of this new religion Islam. So Islam means peace of God. Okay, Islam means peace of God. Islam is found in the sacred book called Quran or Quran. Okay, K-O-R-A-N or Q-U-R-A-N, Quran. And Quran Arabic meaning recitation. Okay, R-E-C-I-T-A-T-I-O-N, recitation. Recitation meaning in Telugu Parayanam. What is the sacred book of Islamic? Quran. Okay, Quran in Arabic language meaning recitation. Okay, all of you write neatly. Here is the board. Next point. Mohammedans should perform the salat or recite prayers five times in a day. Okay, Mohammedans should perform the salat or recite prayers 5 times in a day. How many times in a prayer? 5 times. The call name salat. And next point, every time believer should go to the mosque to offer his prayer and listen to the discussion of the Quran. Discussion of the Quran. Every time believer should go to the mosque to offer his prayer and listen to the discussion. Okay, they are discussing. What the matter discussion? Quran. Okay, Quran matter we are all discussing in the mosques. And how many times they in Ramadan prayed 5 times. That's called Salat. Every Muhammadan should fast from sunrise to sunset during the lunar month of Ramzan. Okay. Lunar month of Ramzan. And a true Muslim should undertake a pilgrimage to the holy city of Mecca at least once in his lifetime. Okay, and this pilgrimage is known as Haji. Okay, my dears, all of you look at the board. Every Muhammadan should fast from sunrise to sunset during the lunar month of Ramzan. Okay, a true Muslim should undertake a pilgrimage to the holy city of Makkah. Okay, holy city of Makkah at least once in his lifetime. This pilgrimage, okay, Muhammadans go to the Mecca. This pilgrimage is known as Haji. Okay, I show the Haji temple, Haji mosque. Okay, I show the Haji mosque. All of you wrote. Okay, my dears, this is Haji pilgrimage. Okay, my dears, in this session we will learn 4th chapter, the Central Islamic Land, 600 AD to 1200 AD. What we will learn in this subtopics: rise and expansion of Islam and life of Prophet Muhammad and Islamic calendar, teachings of Muhammad the Prophet. Now, next session we will learn balanced 4 subtopics. Okay, so read all of you and you take your textbooks, verify the one after one spellings. Okay, clear? Thank you, one and all.